The dealer says it's too old to finance. The insurance company looks up a book value that insults you. Your neighbor with the payment book asks when you're getting something newer. Meanwhile, it starts every morning. Across 2 generations, Chevrolet built 3 configurations. The third is the one buyers skip without checking what's under the hood. Under the hood is a proven engine design, a transmission that either holds up or is worth rebuilding. Parts on the shelf and mechanics who already know the drivetrain. A weakness you can find before it kills the truck. First, the everyday one. The 1999 to 2006 half-ton. With the 4.8 or the 5.3i, the LR4 and the LM7, and the 4L6OE behind it. It's the drivetrain every independent shop already knows. Parts sit on the shelf. They'll quote you a real number instead of a guess. The 4L6OE is the first thing people bring up. What decides it is fluid condition. Drive one before you buy it and feel how it shifts. It's rust. Surface scale on a frame rail is one thing. Corroded brake lines are a safety matter. Flaking, scaling, or perforation in the frame itself is a different conversation. Get under it with a good light before you buy one. Second, the 2001 to 2006 2500HD with the 6.0, the LQ4, and the 4L8OE. Heavier frame, bigger brakes, heavier axles, more cooling capacity. An HD spends its life rated for more than most owners ever ask of it. Plenty of these worked for a living. Check the hitch for wear. Look in the bed for fifth wheel or gooseneck mounting holes. Look for bolt holes where a service body sat. Pull the transmission fluid and look at the color and smell it. Check for play in the ball joints and steering. It drinks fuel. Empty, it rides hard. Third, the 2007 to 2013 half-ton with the 4.8. The badge doesn't decide whether this generation belongs here. The RPO code on the glove box sticker does. Here's why people skip 07 to 13. AFM lifter failure. That's real on the AFM-equipped 5.3s. But the 4.8 in these trucks wasn't built with AFM. A newer truck than the GMT 800, usually at a better price. Riding on a fully boxed frame. It's no hot rod, and it isn't free of everything. Any truck this age carries rust exposure, front-end wear. AFM failure shows up as a misfire, steady ticking, a check engine light. Cylinder-specific codes. A plug-in disabler is an electronic device. It does not repair a lifter that's already collapsed. The best old Silverado isn't decided by the year on the title. It's the right engine exactly, the right transmission as well, and it's protected from rust. The dealer sees a truck too old to finance profitably. An independent mechanic sees a drivetrain he already understands. So does the man who kept fixing the small things. A truck can be old without being finished. Tell me your year, whether it's a 1500 or a 2500 HD. Your engine code, if you know it, your mileage, and the biggest repair you've put into it. If your Silverado's still earning its keep, hit subscribe.